if you do print a, okay, so it will give you 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25 as well. Okay, so this is your list, which was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how you are iterating over the list for x in L, and this is your expression which you want to perform. Okay, now next, let's suppose I have a array named car. Okay, so I'll be adding car company's name like Maruti, okay, Hyundai, Tata, Toyota, and let's say Mahindra. Okay, this went out of the bounds. Now what I want to do is I want to check if the first character of my string in the car array is starting with M, then I will print all the values in a lowercase, else I'll print it in uppercase. Okay, so how I can do it like I will not more of print but store it in a different array. Okay, so I'll name it as a change. Okay, so what I'll do is x, okay, dot lower if x of 0 is equals to m, okay, else x dot upper, okay, for x in car. Okay, so let's try this particular example in my Python compiler and then we can see the result. Okay, okay, so this will take a little bit of time. Okay, so I need to remove this as well. So I'll type list comprehension. Okay, this fine. Now what I'll do is I'll start introducing my variables. So like first is Maruti, okay, second is Tata, then I'll do Mahindra, and finally I'll do Hyundai. I think I'll add one more. So what I can do is Toyota. Okay, so I have added these 5 car brands name in my variable x. Okay, so let's name it as brands as well. Now I need to create a new list in which if the name is starting with M, then we'll be like putting it in a lowercase letter, else in uppercase. So to make it more, relatable, I'll have M as a capital letter. Okay. Now my change variable, and this first equal to sign, then square braces. Okay, now what I'll do is I have to write x dot lower if x equals x of 0 equals to where is, yeah, m, okay, else x dot upper, so I'll be printing the uh, values in uppercase letter if it is not starting with M. Okay, now I'll do forex in brands. Okay, now if I print my change list, okay, then let's see what we'll get. See, um, every value which was starting with M is now the lowercase, and every value which is not starting with M is now in uppercase. So like you can try multiple other questionnaires for practicing the list comprehension. I can name a few that you can practice to get a better hang of list comprehension. So like convert all string to uppercase in the list, and your list will be something like this: apple, banana, uh, what else, peach, kiwi. Okay, else second thing you can also use is key. If a word is banana, then do not add it in the new list, else add other words. Okay, next you can use create a list from existing list which is not divisible by, let's say, 3. So you can take lists as 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 and 12. Okay, so you can use various examples like this to get a more hang of your list comprehension. So yeah, that's it for the list comprehension. I hope you enjoyed the lecture and understood it very well. If you have any doubt, please ping me in the comment section. And if you like the videos, please do subscribe to my channel and share the videos with your friends. So by that time, have a very wonderful evening and good night. Bye.